morning, guys. I'm up bright and early this morning. I'm hungry. Breakfast just started down at the buffet, so I'm gonna bring you guys down and show you what they have, and we're gonna go down and get some breakfast. Unfortunately, guys, it's another rainy day here in Hollywood, but it's all good. We are at the breakfast buffet at the Sunset Plaza, and I'm going to show you guys what they have here this morning. They have an awesome setup. I'm the only one down here so far, and we got some juices over here with some water, which I'll just be partaking in the water, but different cereals over here. Got some Fruit Loops, some Cheerios, different milks. They also have some plain oatmeal, a couple toaster, a waffle station. So you can make your own waffles here. Get the batter right here and make your waffles in the griddle. And here's the toppings. Some whipped cream, some yogurt. Omelet. Ooh, I'll definitely be partaking in some of that. Some potatoes. Scrambled eggs. Wow, this looks amazing. More coffee over here. So I just wanted to show you guys, even though it's been kind of crappy here with the rain, there's something so peaceful about, we're sitting in our room right now or eating some breakfast, and we just open these windows here and just take a listen now. Every time we stay here, it's like perfection. Reminds me of Melrose Place. This is California right here, this view.
We're getting ready to check out at our favorite place. But Mikey's very curious if it's a heated pool and that's why the steam's coming off,
Yeah,
probably.
we're about to find out right now. This is like Mythbusters. We're gonna go find out.
I'm not walking out there in the drizzle.
Hopefully I won't fall in.
I was just gonna say, I'm not waiting for you if that's the case. Oh Lord.
Oh, it's warm.
So it is heated.
Right now. It's warm.
And it's not even cold out. You have steam coming out of your mouth though.
Whoa.
Weird. It's not even cold out.
Super warm.
It's like 60. We could have dove in there.
I know. We really should have dove in.
Dived in?
Dove.
All right, Best Western. We has to go because we're going to
Hollywood.
Well, I was gonna say Disneyland, but
Disneyland.
it is true. We are going first to Hollywood, and right down the street, and then we're going to Disneyland in the rain. Thanks for spending some time with us in West Hollywood at the Best Western Plus Sunset Plaza, guys. See you at our next stop.
And together we go high.
I'm covered with balls.